Hi, this is Mark T the Handyman. Today we're going to take a look at the Kennedy work boxes here. I just got this and it was old. I actually have refurbished it a little bit, but I'm going to show you how to get the drawers out because I wasn't able to get the drawers out at the beginning. So these are easy. This is the ones that have the clips on it. The one clip goes down, the other side goes up, and all you got to do is pull it out. Okay. I have 3 drawers like this. That's pretty much widespread on the internet. Push down, push up on the other side, slide it out. Okay, and we got one more like that. And so we're gonna push down, up, and slide it out. Okay, so now these next couple of drawers are a little bit different, a little bit more difficult. I couldn't find anything online that would show me how to do this. There was a couple of ones, but they just didn't apply to this style and this vintage. Okay, this is really old, but it's over 25 years old. So what you have to do is you have to push this button right there, push it in, and then you have to lift this up like that, and then you have to hold on to the slide and then push in, and you are out of there. Okay, and on the other side it's the exact same thing. You push that button in, you slide that up, and then but while you're hanging on to the slide, the ball bearing slides, you get this out, and now you're out. Okay, and we'll do that with the next one too. Pull it out, push the button, slide it. Let's see, gotta get that button in there. Let's see if I can get that. Slide it up, hang on to the slide, ball bearing slide, and pull it out. Same thing, just repeat it, and push up and slide it back in, and it comes out, and that's it. Okay, so I finished taking out the drawers here, but now you got to get the slides out. On this particular tool chest, several of these were bad. They do sell new ones, but they're about $50. I was able to find somebody who had an old tool chest that we're going to throw out. It was worse shape than this. And so he gave me these. So let me show you how we do it, okay? Is you have to put a screwdriver back there and then pull up, and then back here it's caught right there, and you have to slide that forward. Okay, so that's how you get it. What you want to do, you want to mark these, because if you put them on the wrong side, they will not work. Okay, but we'll do a couple more like that. We'll just push it, get my screwdriver and kind of bend it a little bit, take the slide out a little bit for a little more leverage, and let's see, okay, I'm gonna get it there, pull it up, and then this slides right out. And I don't know if you can see that, how it slides. Okay, they're like I say, they're not too hard. These are the same way. The only trouble with these up here is you don't have a lot of room, but it's doable. You can get your screwdriver in there. Let's get some light up there so I can see. And you just gotta push it out a little bit, pull your slide out so you got some leverage, lift that up, and there we go. And that's it. Putting them back in is it's pretty much the same way as they came out, except that the fact you've got to line that up. So you're lining this right here, this little tab, with that hole back there. And when you get it, you do the same thing. You push it in, and then you bring it back down. And so those are back and forth there. So, okay, this one here, we'll put it back in, all right? It goes, let's see, right up here. Put the light on that. So you're gonna line this with that, get that in there, push it in, and then just come down with it. Just like that, same thing here. And we've got it right there. Line it up, and let's see, push it in, and down we go. So your slides are back in. Okay, so we've got all the drawers out. We know how to take the slides out and everything. Let's see if we can get them back in, okay? It's not that hard, really. It's not the simplest way, but they go in exactly how they come out. Again, we're going to just take the slide and line it up. So we got this one back here, because this is the harder one to line up. This one in the back. And put some light on that so we can see that. But there it is, and then we push that forward, and now this should be lined up right there, and you come from the bottom up. If you put these slides in backwards, it's going to go, they're going to be from the top up, which means the drawers will fall out. So that's why you got to make sure once you take these out, okay, that you have to put them in the same way. And you have to line these up, and the best place is to try to line it up, I think, from the back myself, okay, where this part, let's see, is lined up right there, which means if I lift this up, this is lined up pretty close. So we get that in that slot there, and we push the slide forward, and we push this up, and we're locked in. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side, okay? So we, like I say, we pull that slide out so that it lines up with over here, because we can see this better. And once it's lined up, and we gotta get it though. Let's see. There we go. Right there, it's lined up here, so it should be fairly close right there. And we're gonna get that little slot right in there. We're gonna pull this forward, and then we're gonna move this up and down, and there it goes. We slid it in. We're gonna start with, we'll do one more, and then you don't really get to see it over and over, but it's the same procedure. You slide this in, you put the, slide these out. These are the ball bearing slides. And once you get that, you want to line up this right here. I'll put the lid back over there. And we'll line these up. And once I get this lined, I know the other one's aligned. Let's see. Where'd it go? There we go. So that's lined up there. So that means this is lined up. We're fairly close. So we're going to lift that up, get that in there, slide the drawer forward, and then we just slide this back into place there. Same thing on this. I'm going to put these in. This is the ones that had the little levers that you push up and down on each side, and they slid in. And they kind of just go on those tracks, and they slide in, okay? Same thing, we got another one right here. And we pull out the slides, the ball bearing slides. And if you see, you got to slide these right onto there. And this one on this side, same thing. Put it in. And there we go. I got one more to go. See, this is going to slide in same way. And let's see if we can get it in. I think we got that one in. And I think we got that one in. And that's it. That's how the drawers go in. So, okay, so we know how to get this drawers in and out and the slides in and out. If you like this video, give it a like or a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, we get all kinds of different videos of just simple handyman type procedures. Thank you very much.